Good morning guys, in front of me is HONOR X7d and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select home screen and style, and here slide select wallpaper and just go with all the permissions. And now pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with. You can go either with your own photos, you can choose something from official wallpapers. You can open your camera and grab a photo right now. You can go to downloads if you wish. By tapping on more, you can explore all themes, and then you can. Okay, it's I need to log in. I'm not logged with HONOR ID. However, if you are, you will be able to see all the palette of different beautiful wallpapers. So let me choose, for example, one from those officials, just a different one. You can blur it if you wish. And here select the scale. I'll leave it this way, then just mark done. Wait a couple of seconds till it's set, and as you go back, it is applied. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.